guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a kit here today, a teeth whitening kit that I'm actually going to be doing a video about today. It was given to me for a Christmas gift, I believe, about maybe a year ago, I want to say, and it's from the As Seen on TV section, and I just wanted to know if it really works because, I mean, you see a lot of these products on the As Seen on TV and, you know, the little Wonder Bras and all the other little things they have out there in that section, and I've never actually bought anything from that section before, so I'm actually ecstatic to have one because I want to try it out and see if it really actually works. So I'm gonna open it up. It says it takes about 20 minutes to get results, so of course I'm not gonna bore you to death in 20 minutes, but we will see if there's any results. Ashamed to say, I'm a former smoker. I actually quit smoking cigarettes in like 2010. Yay me, 8 years, and I actually quit cold turkey. It was really, really hard. I was probably very grouchy and like, I want to say a bitch for like months and months and months because I was so pissed. I don't know. When you stop smoking, you're just mad at the world. So anyway, because of that, I have a few stains here and there on my teeth that I'm not proud of, and I really want to get rid of them. So I'm like, you know what? I hope this little kit here actually works. And if it doesn't, you guys will see the results either way. It looks like, so I'm going to take a quick picture as well of my teeth before, what it looks like, and I'm going to use my iPhone to do it. And then, of course, I'm going to take a picture of what it looks like after. So these are the pre-filled gel trays right here, if you can see it. So that'll be interesting to find out. And this is the user guide as far as telling you what to do. And then, okay. Oh, okie dokie. So this is the little light that you would hold in your mouth. Doing everything so backward today. It's one of those days. Okay, so this looks like maybe the whitening pen, I believe. I won't really know what everything is until I actually read the instructions. But I'm assuming that's the whitening pen. Brush on whitening pen for additional whitening power. 30 applications. Use with or without light. Okay, so duh. So that's what that is. And then they give you 2 of these Q-tips where I guess, so first you apply a healthy vitamin E treatment with each special swab. And then now for a quick photo of what my teeth looks like now. And hopefully they'll look very different after. I'm hoping so. Alright, so I took 2 different photos of my teeth. Alright, so let's get started. Teeth whitening guide. So of course I need to look at the steps because I have no freaking idea what I'm doing. So you have a whitening pen. So this actually kit comes with a whitening pen, which we just saw a second ago. 2 vitamin E swabs, which we just saw a second ago as well. 1 pre-filled gel tray. And then the LED accelerator light. I don't know why that was a tongue twister, but it happened. So step 1, dry your teeth with a cotton swab and then apply that vitamin E swab to your lips and gums for protection. Step 2, attach the pre-filled tray to the LED accelerator light so that way it can cure it. And then you want to set your timer for 20 minutes, which is what I'm getting ready to do right now. And then once you set your timer for 20 minutes, you just sit there, wait, and then see what happens. Up, it looks like the time is up. The timer has went off, so it looks like I can see a little bit of results, I would say. It definitely looks whiter than the previous picture that I took before and from before. Of course, I know what my teeth look like. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I would definitely try to find this here, this product here, it's all messed up now, but so that I can actually link it in the description below so that you can, you know, click on it and buy it and try it out if you like to. But does this really work? Yes, it actually does really work. In 20 minutes, it whitens your teeth. Now, it says up to 8 shades, so once I actually do the before and after pictures, I'll take a look and then I'll see like how many shades of white it actually whitened my teeth, whether it was 4 or all 8 or whatever. Again, thank you all for watching. Make sure you guys go and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at The Chris Wash, and I'll see you guys again next time.